Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add descriptions to tabs and columns in Jotform Tables. This is incredibly useful when you're managing complex data and need to provide context or instructions for your team members who are viewing or editing the table. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have the correct login information ready, as you'll need access to your workspace to manage your tables effectively. After logging in, look to the upper left corner of the page where you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Tables. This will take you to a view where all your created tables are listed and accessible for editing. Now locate the specific table you want to work with from your list of tables. Once you've found it, click on View Table to open it up. This will display the full table interface where you can see all your tabs, columns, and data organized neatly. Next, select the tab you want to add a description to by clicking on its name at the top of the table. Once the tab is active, look for the 3 vertical dots icon near the tab name and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options for managing that particular tab. From the drop-down menu, select Add Tab Note. This feature allows you to attach important information or instructions directly to the tab itself. A text editor will appear where you can type your description. Feel free to use the formatting tools provided if you need to emphasize certain parts of your note or organize the information more clearly. Once you've finished typing your description, click Save to confirm your changes. You'll notice that a small note icon now appears on the tab, indicating that there's additional information available. This makes it easy for anyone viewing the table to know that context or instructions are attached. Now let's move on to adding descriptions to columns. Hover your mouse over the column header where you want to add a note. You'll see the 3 vertical dots icon appear. Click on it to open the drop-down menu for that specific column. From the menu, select Add Column Note. This opens a field where you can enter your note, type in whatever description or instruction you need to provide for that column. This is particularly helpful for clarifying what type of data should be entered or what the column represents. After entering your note, click Save. Just like with the tab note, a note icon will now appear in the column header, making it clear that additional information is available for anyone who needs it. And there you have it. You've successfully added descriptions to both tabs and columns in your Jotform tables, making your data more organized and easier to understand for everyone on your team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.